Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my April favorites. So if you guys want to see what I have been loving for the month of April, then keep watching. Before I get into the video, I know my skin, just everything is a hot mess. I went to Punta Cana, I came back, and I'm peeling like crazy. And I'm trying everything to stop it. I'm like really red on my chest. I applied so much sunscreen. I don't know what's going on. So I know there's chunks of like dead skin everywhere. Just everywhere. It's everywhere. So yeah. So if I start sweating in this video and like I look like I'm dying, it's because it's 80 degrees outside and I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt just so I don't see the peeling that is going on. That's number one. Number two, I don't have a whole lot of favorites this month just because, again, like I was just saying, I went away. So I was just kind of like trying to not spend as much because I was going away. I wanted to save a little bit of money for while I was away. So let's get into these favorites. First, a favorite is this Bella Beauty Eyelash Growth Serum. I talked about doing this before a couple favorites videos ago where I saw it on Facebook. There are just like companies, I guess, brands, not really brands, it's just companies that work with Amazon. And if you have an Amazon Prime account and a Facebook account, you can get like these automated messages sent to your messenger and they'll tell you like, oh, there's a product available. A lot of the products are under like $20 and you get them. Once you receive it, you let the thing know, the company, and they'll basically give you a full rebate back for it. So this was one of the products that I received recently. And I was I didn't really have like any high hopes for this, but I really do like it. I have noticed a difference in my lashes. They have been growing, and you can also add this to your eyebrows, and those have also been growing a little bit. Not a whole lot, but my lashes have definitely gotten longer. I have noticed a difference, especially when I have my makeup off. I can tell that they're a little longer. So this is just what the brush looks like. It's just like a typical eyeliner brush. It's really easy to apply. I just put some on before bed and that's really it. If you guys have been with my channel for a while, you may remember I did a review on the Rimmel Lash Growth Serum, and honestly, I do like this one better. It'll be linked down below. I just like this one better because it doesn't get crusty like the Rimmel one does. It is a little more expensive. I think this was about between like $12 to $16. I can't really remember, but I'll have a link for it down below if you guys want to check it out. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like an Amazon favorites video. I noticed that I have been shopping on there a lot more recently, and I think I have like a good amount of items to do a favorites, so let me know down below because I will gladly do that for you guys. My next two favorites are the Makeup Revolution lip toppers. In my left hand I have Exquisite, and in my right hand I have Fortune. These are amazing. I honestly didn't really think I would like them as much as I really do. They're great on top of lipsticks. They're great by themselves. I've actually been wearing them on their own most of the time when I do wear them, and I really just pretty much switched between the two of them. I didn't think I was gonna like this one, which is Fortune, because it is like white, but it is really pretty. I'll swatch them on the back of my hands for you guys. But I just love how they just add a little bit of like shimmer to the lips, and it's not anything too crazy. So this is Fortune. I feel like you can really see it because of how tan my skin is right now. And then we have Exquisite. These are also just really good dupes for like the Fenty glosses because they're so much cheaper. They're from Makeup Revolution, like I said. So here is Exquisite right here. So Fortune and Exquisite, they're just really pretty. Fortune is more of like a pinky with, I think this one has like a more silver, and then this is just white, as you can tell, but they're really pretty glosses and I really like them. My next favorite is a Jade facial roller. I picked mine up from TJ Maxx. It came in this box. Mine's just a little busted because that's how it was in the store, but I mean, it's totally fine. It wasn't like it was damaged or anything. It was $9.99 and it is from the brand Revive Beauty. So I picked this up honestly just out of curiosity. I've seen so many people talk about them and I kind of just always wanted to try one, but then I was like, they're totally like a gimmick. But I've been been using them when I do sheet masks, and I feel like when you really roll your skin like this, it's really squeaky, but when you're rolling, it's so relaxing. First, like, that's the number one thing. It makes the mask so much more relaxing. And I really feel like when you're rolling it on your skin with the mask on, you're really getting the serums into your skin. So honestly, I don't think it's that much of a gimmick. I really think that they're worth it. I got mine, like I said, from TJ Maxx. So go to TJ Maxx to get them because they are cheaper. They are on Amazon and all that. I will try to find this Revive Beauty one. If I can't, I'll just link one from like Amazon or whatever. But I definitely recommend them. They're really relaxing and I really like them. I haven't tried putting it in the fridge, which people say to do, but I'll definitely have to try that and I will get back to you guys when I do. And my last favorite, I feel like, is going to be kind of obvious, and it is the Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I mean, this palette is just gorgeous. The colors are amazing. Anastasia Beverly Hills makes amazing eyeshadows. I just love everything about it. I did upload a tutorial today as I filmed this video using this palette. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. If you guys want any more tutorials with this palette, let me know in the comments down below, and I will gladly do that. If you have any like color suggestions, let me know, because I love this palette so much. I mean, it is just so pretty. I can just sit here and stare at it. That's how pretty it is to me. That's how much I love it. And that is it for my April favorites video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite products were for the month of April. I would love to know. I'm sorry this video was uploaded so late in the month. Normally I have it up like the 1st of the month, but because I went away, I just wanted to relax. And now that I'm back filming. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you want an Amazon favorites video or more tutorials with the Riviera palette in the comments, because I will do both of those for you guys. If you guys have any comments, just want to say hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.